Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to Uswa Students Guides YouTube channel. We made this channel for all our students those are at home and due to this pandemic COVID-19. Please subscribe this channel and do work at home. This channel will help you out in your studies. Now I would like to start my lecture, Introduction to Computer Fundamentals. This is a basic lecture about computer for all classes 8th, 9th and 10th. First, we define what is computer. Computer is an electronic device that processes data, converting it into information that is useful to the people. It means we can say that the data which is in meaningful form is known as computer, or on other hand, or other second definition, we can say that computer is an electronic device which takes data as input, process on that input and shows the result as output. Analog and digital computer. Analog system represent data as variable points along a continuous spectrum of values. Means the data which is in continuity form is known as analog computer. Digital. Early analog computers were mechanical devices weighing several tons and using motor and gear to perform calculations. These two definitions belongs to analog computer, and now digital system represent data as having one or distant value or another with no other possibilities. Digital computers are also called because they work by numbers. That is, they break all type of information into tiny units and use number to represent those pieces of information. We can say that our data that will transfer in the form of packet, and this is the collection of data which is converted into the meaningful information. Now there are two things, one is data and other is information. Data is collection of raw fact and information is the meaningful data is known as information. Computer for individuals. Most computer are means to use by only one person at time. Such a computer are shared by several people, but only one user can work with the machine at given moment. These are individual computer. We can say that the computer at your home, at your personal computer, are known as individual user. For individual user, only single user can use this computer. 6 primary types of computer. There are 6 primary. Primary means the starting concept types of a computer. Desktop computer, workstation computer, notebook computer, tablet computer, handheld computer, smartphone. These systems are all example of personal computer, also known as called as microcomputers. Now we discuss these 6 types of computer. Number 1 is desktop computer. The most common type of personal computer is a desktop computer. Desktop computer or PC, we can say that this is a PC, personal computer, that is designed to sit on a desk or a table. This is known as desktop computer. These computers you see in schools, homes, offices, in computer labs, in your Uswa College computer lab. These are desktop computers. These computers are used to communicate, produce music, edit graphics, videos, play sophisticated games and much more. We can use internet by using these computers. Other is workstation. Work means workstation. Workstation is a specified single user computer that is typically has more power and features than the standard desktop or personal computer, because these computers are used for at offices, and lot of work can be done by using these computers. These machines are popular among scientists, engineers who need a system with a greater average speed and the power to perform the sophisticated task. Workstations often have large, high-resolution monitors to accelerate the graphics handling, and these are workstations, means those computers that are used not at home, these used at your offices. Notebook computer are their name as approximately shaped by 8.5 by 11 inches. The working of this computer is same as that of the home computers, desktop computers, but their size is between 8.5 to 11 inches. Notebook easily fit inside the briefcase. People frequently use these devices on their lap. They are also called laptop computers, and mostly people use these computers at their during driving at their home to check the email, etc. Tablet PC. Tablet PC is the newest development in the portable full-feature computer. Tablet PC offer all the functionality of the notebook PC. They are lighter and can accept input from a specific pen called stylus or the digital pen, and this pen is used to use on the tablet. Handheld PC. Handheld person computers are computer devices small enough to fit in your hand. Personal digital assistant PDA is the type of handheld computer. Size of PDA is no longer than the small appointment book and is normally used for special applications, displaying telephone number and addresses, taking note, keeping track of dates and the agendas. These are used for like personal computer, for short notes. Smartphones are the mobile phones that are kind of a computer. All kind of accessories are available in these, all the applications are available in these. We can use these feature of this like web services, email services, special software such as personal organization, special hardware such as digital cameras or the music. Computer for organization. Some computer handle the need of many users at the same time. The largest organizational computers support thousands of the individual users at the same time from the thousands of the miles away. Network services. Today, most organization networks are based on the personal computer. Individual users have their own desktop computer which are connected to one or more centralized computer called network services. Network is connection of, there are two things, one is network and other is internet. Network is interconnection of two or more computers, and internet is to connect these computers all over the world via using the telephone lines or the DSL, etc. When set up in such groups, sometimes called cluster or server farms. In these large network, different groups of the servers may have different purposes: handling printing tasks, enabling interface, accounting tasks, word processing, database management. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are used in the large organizations such as insurance companies and bank, and many people frequently need to use the same data. In traditional mainframe environment, such as access the mainframe resources through a device called terminal. Types of terminal. There are two types of terminal: dumb terminal and next is intelligent terminal. Dumb terminal. Dumb terminal does not process or store data as a window into the computer located somewhere else. An intelligent terminal can perform some processing information, but it is usually does not have any storage. Parts of computer system.